Now I gotta pick a side, either make it out the hood or thug it out with the guys. Gotta show a new version of me, lead the fucking line. Gotta do it for my mama, everything she said was right. You're not from here, but you gotta fit in. So you make another person that's gonna do it for you, while he taking all the energy and going through it for you. Damn, all this ain't I'm sipping. Feel like he returning to me, super say my shirt is ripping. And this a newer feeling, no I'm trying to get it back, but now I'm really through it killing. I'ma let it step and sit back for see all my vision. I know my bro was full of rage, but now he's sitting in the prison. What the fuck? All my brothers driving out of school like what the fuck? Well, I'm tryna make it out of here, feel like I'm really stuck. No, I'm in between the path, I feel like a sitting duck. Tryna make it out the hood, but I really wanna buck. Damn boy, you trippin', how you only 15 and all this like this all you gettin'? How you only 15, you making this decision? All I'm tryna do is make it life so ain't no burger flippin'. All I'm tryna do is make it life for all my guys is living. All I'm tryna do is make it right for all my consequences. All I'm tryna do is make it right and redo all my wrongs. All I'm tryna do is make it out with sports and all these songs. Every day I fucking think about it, my bro is really gone, but I know a victim coming, so I gotta play along. All I know is when he died, we gon' smoke him through the bomb. But for now, let me tell my story, how this shit went wrong. Growing up, I was a good kid, always in the mood kid. I was always that one young boy that was staying up in school kid. I was always that one young boy that could never be a fool kid. Couple years later, I was living life and living gladly. Then my pops started tripping, he was acting really wacky. Then my wrist started building, I was really ready packing. My mom saved me from that demon, I was gonna attack him. But damn, who knew? Who knew this was gonna be the next stage I go through? I know I blame myself a lot, but I am not a guru. That's why you cannot fucking play with me, I see right through you. And him too, you just like me too. Young boy, I really feel you. If you went through what I went through, then damn, you will wanna kill too. It's all mental, feeling pain up on my temples. I know you wanna get it back, but do not let these niggas tempt you. I feel you, all that talking made me cry. I feel too, felt like I left him out to die. We gotta heal too, this shit really is real life. This shit never was a roomie, so my past come back alive. Let me say it one more time. You're not from here, but you gotta fit in. So you make another person that's gonna do it for you, while he taking all that energy and going through it for you. Damn, all this ain't I'm sipping. Feel like he returning to me, super say my shirt is ripping. And this a newer feeling, no I'm trying to get it back, but now I'm really through it killing. I'ma let it step and sit back for see all my vision. I know my bro was full of rage, but now he's sitting in the prison. What the fuck?